How to switch from demo to live in OANDA mobile app. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch from demo to live account in OANDA. First of all, launch open the OANDA application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. If you are currently using a demo account and you want to switch to live, then tap on the demo button at the top left and from here, tap on live. Now, you need to open up the live account, tap on open live account and follow through the instructions. Here you'll need to go answer some of the questions such as your country of residence, choose your country or your region and click on confirm and continue. Now enter an email address you want to sign up with and then create a strong password on the next field. Finally, scroll all the way down and log in. And now enter some of your personal details such as your first name, date of birth, phone number, etc. After entering your phone number, click on this I consent box and finally click on confirm and continue. Now on the next page, select if you are a US citizen, if you have selected US in your address, and answer some of the questions. You might need your SSN or TIN. Enter all the information in the text boxes and you will be able to click on confirm and continue. Soon after you do that, you'll be approved for a live account. After completing all of the verification steps, you will be able to open up your live account. Demo and live account are separate, they cannot be merged. You can switch between live and demo account inside the app anytime. So there you have it, that is how you can easily switch from demo to live account on OANDA. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.